How to find MAC address on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find MAC address on Windows 11. Whether you need it for troubleshooting network issues or for setting up a secure connection, knowing your MAC address is essential. So let's start the video. To check MAC address in Windows 11 on your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet tab in the left side panel. A new window will appear. Click on Ethernet if you are using a wired connection or Wi-Fi. If you are connected wiredly, we are going to click on Ethernet. Now, your MAC address will be displayed. This is how you can simply find MAC address on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.